all of a sudden it's a snowstorm. It's like one of those movies where it's like, Jack, I'm waiting. F you, Jack. And then they're raining.
You can only see it on the side.
Oh, I'm hoping on 16th Street. Better go find some shit. Run!
Say hi, everybody.
Woo! Oh my god. Girl, you better get the move on. Get that weed wet. Come on.
Whoa.
Yeah, thanks for liking in.
Everybody getting pictures of the rain in Merced here.
I love my phone. Looks like our cars are getting washed, guys.
It is coming down.
Or someone will get the... Rebecca, crop your hat down now. We needed it.
We did. We needed it.
Go get the soap from inside. Thank God.
So, Marissa, tell me what your take is on this wonderful rain today.
Well, right now it seems apparently there's a lot of healing going on.
I don't like to close.
Well, what is your take on this rain?
Huh?
Tell me what your take is on this rain today.
I don't know.
Right now would be a good time to break up with your boyfriend and be all dramatic.
Now's a good time to be.
And all those girls on 6th Street going, oh, did you see lightning?
I see the lightning. I missed it. This is a good time to be with your husband or your significant other, cuddled up in the rain.
Cuddling season.